In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export Google AI Studio code to VS Code. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aistudio.google.com and then log into your account. Now from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the build section over here and then down to apps. And then from here, you'll see an overview of all of your existing apps. From here, you'll need to choose the specific app that you want to convert or export the code from over to VS Code. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it. And from here, you'll need to go over to the code editor or show code editor. And then from here, you'll need to go over to where it says download as a zip file. Once it's downloading, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll simply need to open it up like so. And then from here, you'll need to extract it to a specific folder of your choosing. Once from here, you can click OK, like so. And as you can see over here now, it is extracting over to the specific folder that I've just chosen. From here, you'll need to open up VS Code, like so. And from here, you'll need to find the specific folder inside of your computer and just drag and drop it over to VS Code, like so. And then you can click Don't Save, like so. And as you can see over here, trust the author. And as you can see over here inside of the Explorer, you'll be able to see every single file from Google AI Studio is now over on VS Code. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!